Want smarter search results and website suggestions while typing in Safari? Here's how to turn on Safari suggestions for a faster, easier browsing experience. Like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Safari. In the Safari settings, look for the section labeled Search. Now, make sure the toggle for Safari suggestions is turned on. You can also enable search engine suggestions right above it for even better results based on your chosen search engine. Once these are on, Safari will suggest popular websites, answers news, and relevant info as you type in the address bar, saving you time and clicks. That's it. Safari suggestions are now enabled and ready to help you browse smarter. Like and subscribe for more iPhone browsing and productivity tricks.